Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you all are having a great day or night wherever you guys are in the world. Today is going to be episode number 2 of 2 Minute Wednesday. On our screen here, we have a picture of a model, and I'm going to be showing you, like I said, the basics of masking. Okay, so if I click on the mask over here, it's going to be automatically, once you click on it, it's going to be filled with white. White reveals while black conceals. If I should press M on my keyboard and go for the marquee, elliptical marquee tool over here, and I draw a circle and I hold on shift and constrain that circle to a perfect circle, I will get a circle over her face. If I hold on the Alt or Option on the keyboard and press the backspace key, you will see that the mask over here on the right side is filled out, and that is filled with black. And like I said, black conceals while white reveal. If I press on Command Alt or D on the keyboard to deselect, and then now if I should press Command I on the keyboard and invert it, now the surrounding areas of the circle are filled with black while the circle is filled with white, and that's how you can see her face. All right, the stage 2 of masking is there is a chain that links both the picture and the mask together. If I should press V on the keyboard and move the circle, you will see that the circle and everything else is moved together with the mask. Okay, I'm going to press Command D on that and put it where it was before. If I was to select the chain now, and then I move the mask, you will see that the mask is only thing that is moving. Okay, let me just revert to that. If I click on the picture itself and then I move the picture, you will see that the picture is moving independently of the mask. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the basics of masking. I hope you guys enjoyed that real quick video. I didn't want to make this video too long. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and take care, guys. Peace.